Talking American here to teach you English. Let's do this.
The kittens are walking in the grass. They are walking toward the camera. The cat is in the box. It climbs out of the box onto the carpet. The cat is on the ladder. The cat is on the sand. It is on a leash. It is at the edge of the water. It pulls a stick from the water. The cat is looking in the window. The cat is on the fence. It is looking around. The kitten climbs up onto the edge. She plays with the kitten in her lap. The cat walks through the tunnel. At sunset, the cat walks toward the man on the beach. The cat in the box is looking up. The cat climbs up the tree. The cat climbs down the tree and jumps to the ground. The cat drinks water from the sink. The cat lies in the hay. The cat is in the garden on a sunny afternoon. The cat is near the table. The woman and the cat are at home. The man and the cat are on a terrace. The cat is dropped into the snow. The cat is under the table. The cat is looking out the window. It paws at the glass. It has a red collar on. A dog is near the cat in the window. The kitten plays in the money in slow motion. The cat eats food from the ground. A woman and a cat are next to a cup of tea. The man is working at home on his laptop with his cat. The kitten is in the road. The cat is in the tree. It is trying to get into a bird nest. The birds try to defend their nest from the cat. The cat walks on the roof. The cat looks at the camera through the rails. The cat walks away from the camera. The cat walks toward the woman. The cat is at the vet. The cat walks by the tree.